Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to assign contacts to particular agencies in Mautic. Let's get started. In Mautic, there are two different ways to assign a contact to an agency. You can identify a certain agency when creating the contact, or edit a contact's profile to include their agency afterwards. To assign a contact to an agency when creating their profile, first visit the Contact section of Mautic using the main navigation. You can then create a new contact by either clicking the Quick Add or New button. Regardless of which option you choose, there will be fields for you to add in the agency information. In this case, you can find it under the Agent Information tab, and you can then select which agency the contact belongs to in this drop-down menu, or write out the agent name if applicable. Once you've added all the information you need, you can click Save and Close to create your new contact. If you want to assign a pre-existing contact to an agency, you can visit the Contact section of Mautic and then click on the contact name of the person you want to assign to an agency. From there, you can visit the Agent Information section of their profile, and you'll notice that it's more likely than not that no information will appear. That's because the fields are empty. In this case, you will toggle the Show Empty Fields button and see that there in fact is the agent name. You can then use the inline editing feature, which means double-clicking, in order to update the information. When you've added the agent name, you can then click the green check mark to save your changes. And that's it. Now you know how to assign contacts to particular agencies in Mautic. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.